Hi everybody, I have a quick little tip for those of you that are recording your meetings with Zoom, if you're using Zoom. Currently what happens is the default saving place for the Zoom meeting is actually on your local network drive, which will basically jam up a lot of your space and have your H drive run out of space. And we don't want that to happen. But there's an easy way to change that. So what we're going to do is I have a Zoom meeting ready to go right here. I'm actually recording through it. I'm going to show you the settings that you can change so that you can take that Zoom meeting when it's finished, save it to your desktop, then you can upload it to Google Classroom, and then you can delete it off your desktop because it's no longer needed. Now, if you're using Google Meet, it saves automatically into your Google Drive, so it's really nothing you'll have to do for that. That's good to go. This is just for you folks that are using Zoom to record your meetings. So I'm at this meeting right now. It's running, and if I go to the arrow by the video camera there, I click up that and I go to video settings. So over here are all the video settings, and there's a setting for recording right now, and right here it tells me that my location is FCS Data Homes J. Grossenbacher. That's showing that I have a gigabyte remaining, and one meeting could take that up easily. So what I want to do is change that. So instead of going to my Zoom thing there, I'm just going to slide this bar up all the way and go right to my desktop and then say OK. So now what will happen is when I record it and finish it, it'll place it on my desktop, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm going to end I actually didn't start recording this one, but if I were, I could show it from there. So I think you get the idea. All right, have a great day, guys. Good luck. If you need me, I'm around. Thanks.